Cuckoo CMC-QSN501S Q5 Superior 5 Quarts Black Multifunctional Pressure Cooker. iCook Q5 series cooker combines the functions of a pressure cooker, slow cooker, browning fry, saute, steamer, food warmer, yogurt maker, soup maker to cook all kinds of food in a variety of styles. Delay your cooking time up to 12-50 hours with reset function. The intelligent voice navigation system, which is available in different languages, is effective in keeping the experience of using the multi-cooker easy and intuitive. Safe, quiet steam release through soft steam cap. Cuckoo's patented technology to quietly discharge the steam through egg steam walls. S-line pad steam walls help direct steam for a more quiet and safer steam release when cooking. Auto steam cleaning made easy. Enjoy simple maintenance with a touch of a button with one push. A strong jet steam is released to clean and sanitize the interior of the multi-cooker. Cuckoo's innovative self-cleaning steam fans make cleaning the cooking pot a breeze. Faster, tastier, and more nutritious. Customized setting with adjustable non-heating options and programmable timer. 3D heating technology heats food with radio frequency electricity emitted from the entire pot. This special feature does not only reduce up to 70% of cooking time and energy usage. It also heats food evenly to allow the minerals to stay undissolved and help food retain its original flavors. The high temperatures also eliminate harmful microorganisms and reduce aflatoxin concentration to safe levels. Safe, quiet steam release through S-line pad. Steam walls direct steam for a more quiet and safer steam release when cooking. Enjoy your favorite foods with iCook Q5 Superior. More than just a simple cookbook packed with tasty and healthy recipes, press button and leave. Your fresh home-cooked meal will be ready when you come back. You may select any other ingredients based on your preference.